This is what my kids have for lunch. Quick, easy, frugal, budget-friendly lunch ideas from your pantry right to the child's lunch bag without spending the extra money at school and prices on the rise and money getting tight. Quick, easy to do. I am old school. I love Boy Meets World. But first, before we get started, smash on that subscribe button, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. Please share me to social media. Watch till the end because we have some giveaway announcements. Let's get going. This is what my kids have for lunch for my teen. Today we have mandarin oranges and chicken nuggets. And my kid does not like dipping sauces or ketchup. Some potato chips, emptied out the bag. Bottled water, 2 juices. They have practice after school for drama club, and there's a show coming up, so they've been doing a lot of dancing and singing. For Jacqueline, mandarins. Then I have pancakes in here that will thaw, be ready to eat, and then a little cup of syrup. The little cups come in an 8-pack at the Dollar Tree or a 10-pack, I can't remember which. Potato chips, and I picked up the chocolate chewies at the Dollar Tree. They're a 6-pack. Chocolate milk bottle, and a water bottle. First lunch bag, water bottle in. Then the little containers with the food. These are by Surefresh from the Dollar Tree. They work really well. Put a juice in. Let me stand it up when I'm done so you won't see it anymore. And I put the juice on the side of the water here. And it all fits snug. And down here you can put an ice pack for the summer. There's a zipper. I have a little ice ring for it in my freezer. For my tween here, be 13 in November. Just lay that flat there in the water bottle. I don't like them using the water fountains until this epidemic is completely cleared up. Make sure these are folded over so they don't fall out of the bag. These Utz brands are really good potato chips. They taste the same. They didn't take away any of the quality or flavoring like some of the brands like Lay's has. They're nothing but salty now. And I haven't used Ruffles in years because they just don't taste the same. This is what my kids have for lunch. Thrown together real quickly with easy foods from your pantry. If your school has a microwave, please ask the faculty or your child that attends the school if there's one available, because it is a game changer and really broadens the horizon for kids' lunches that are easy to do. You can even get those cup of soups where you just add water, and it's very easy to do for older children. I would say 12 and up for that type of a lunch. You can do the chicken nuggets, let them thaw, and throw them in the microwave for 90 seconds. Perfect if your kid likes to dip with ketchup. Before we go, we have an announcement. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, one for new subs, one for people who comment. If you are new, you must comment down below and say hi. Be U.S. residents. If you comment all the time, must be subscribed, be U.S. residents, and not have one in the past 60 days. Also, if you're new, you must be subscribed to win any of my giveaways. And we're also going to be giving away 1 5-items prize pack valued at $6.25 when we get to 1,200. All these rules will be in my description box down below. What my kids have for lunch. Huge game changer if your school has a microwave. I cannot boast about it enough. It made my day because it really opens up a wide area to be able to pack a great lunch for your child. Before we go, don't forget about the giveaways. Please smash on that subscribe button. Don't forget to tap on that bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.